Hi there. The current gen new Mercedes S-Class just arrived, and as you know, the S63e AMG is coming along, but since it's not here yet, I decided to make it my way, to make my vision of the S63e AMG Coupe. So let's go. Those the last gen versions, the S63 AMG and the S63 AMG Coupe. So this is the new S-Class. And the first change I have made is the front bumper, which now is the AMG styled one. Next I've made headlights a little bit darker. And of course the biggest change is the front grille, the famous AMG Panamericana front grille. Also take a look at the hood line, more specifically the way the hood connects to the front bumper. In my vision it's similar to the one in the current gen E63 or maybe the last gen S63 AMG Coupe. Next changes are a little bit smaller, so a little spoiler at the back and dark mirror caps. Next change is bigger, so as you can see I have made the wheel arches wider and I put those AMG style rims on the wheels. And the last change in the S63 AMG saloon is this little badge on the fender. But as I said before, I've also made the two-door version of it. And to make it happen, I needed it to be shorter, so I've cut the rear end and moved it a little bit forward. And next I've changed the greenhouse, so give it the coupe style look. By the way, I have changed the rear end to make it more similar to the other Mercedes coupe models. And of course the last change is changing the doors. Right now you can see some parts of the 4-door version, and to make it the real coupe it needs to have just 2 doors. And there you go, the new Mercedes S63 AMG Coupe. Take a closer look, check the details here and there, and tell me what you think about it. Does it look good? Here you can compare it with the base model, the base, the new S-Class. And actually that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Again, tell me what you think about it in the comments. If you like it, hit the subscribe button for more. And yeah, that's all. See you later.